Guys, let's see. Alright, so we are going to be making a Rainbow Mothra cosplay. I don't know if you've ever, it's the Rebirth Mothra 3. My mom wants to be this for TourCon. So, let's see. Can you guys see this okay? There's a little glare. Alright, so yeah, that's better. Okay, so we are going to look for our reference photo because we have to make this big. And I'm going to show you the one that I used. You can look up any one you want. Let's see, I gotta find it here. Alright, so here, let me zoom in here. So I'm going to be using this one right here. And looks like this guy right here. Okay, I got rid of the glare. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this image and you are going to go to your paint or your art, depending on what kind of system you have. And you are going to push paste, and we are going to take the select tool and we are going to make free form selection. So it's a little here, I don't know if you can see it. It's not quite focusing. Okay. Alright, sorry about this. It's the one that looks oblong. Alright, so it's the select tool, and so you are going to take your tool and you're going to trace around. Oops, I messed that up. Hold on. You're going to trace around your wing. Alright. So be careful not to let go of your wing. And then you are going to select copy. Sorry for all the hiccups. So basically what I went back to art and I took back the piece that went this way, and then I increased this to the size of 200, and then you're going to save it. So from there you're going to, after you clean it up, so then you're going to push save as, and I labeled mine M for Mothra, so you're going to just push save. And then you're going to come to a website that looks like this. That's called Block Posters. You're going to go to your search engine and you are going to type in FR Free Block Posters. And it is the first one on your search. And you are going to get this. So you're going to say get started. And then you are going to upload your image. I'm going to go back and upload our image. Okay, so then it comes up here. We want 4 pages wide. Let's see, I gotta find my mouse. 4 pages wide. And we want it on portrait, and we want US letter. You can have it have borders or no borders. So that's one way to do it on this site. And then you're going to say create my post and then go through the prompts of doing that. And then you'll download that and get it that way. And then the next one, other website we will be going, which the one that I used to get mine. Let's see if I can find it on here. So it's rasterbator.net. So this is the one that I used to create my poster. So you're going to say create poster. You are going to choose a file. Oh, and also with this, with the paint, you can make it as big as small as you want. Then you're going to say upload. Oh. Yeah, okay, go back. You're going to choose a file. Upload. Alright, now we're at the correct height. So you want 4 pages across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 down. So with the art, you're going to resize your picture back up. You're going to resize it to 200 on your art or paint. And then you're going to take away that section and you're going to push it in. And you have something like this. So it's still going to be a US letter. It's still going to be portrait. It's going to have 10 minimum each side. And so it's going to be 4 pages by 6 pages down. And you want to... So it's going to take 24 sheets of paper, and it's 6 inches tall. So then you're going to click continue, click no effect unless you want the other two. It's up to you. And then you're going to leave everything here, and then you're going to click continue, and it's going to download. Okay, and then you'll get all these 24 sheets of paper, and then you'll have to connect them. Get something that looks like this. So you're going to piece every piece of your wing together, and then you are going to cut out your shapes from your piece on your big poster. And so you'll have like this section here, you'll have this lightning bolt, 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 you'll have this feathery region, and this little blue section, and then the blue section here. I had to do mine in black and white because it would have cost me more to print it out because I don't have a printer. I had to do it at work. Or you could do it at the library, which will cost you $1. Well, my library costs $1 to print each sheet. So I just did it at work, and it printed in black and white. So you're just going to take the sections and cut them out. And so then what I got was, I went on to Etsy and purchased, some Isis wings. These wings are for dancing. So we'll just go there and show you which ones I got. So then you'll find this picture right here, and you will click that. So these are the Isis wings I got. They are $15. Mine were white. They do not come with the dancing sticks, so you'll have to purchase some wood dowels. So what you're going to do is, after that, you are going to place what your next step is. You're going to take a really large cardboard, and you're going to place your wing over here, one corner at the end, and then you're going to fan it out like this. Alright, so that's your Isis wing there. And then you're going to take each shape. So you're going to put the eye here. The lightning bolt shape one there. So this piece gets set up here. And then the next piece. And then, you know, the next piece. And then you're going to take all your cutout pieces of your wing, of your big poster, and you're going to place them on your wing, and you're going to take a marker and you're going to trace around each one, and then you're going to take those off, and then you're going to just take your fabric paints and paint your wings. I'll show you the fabric paint that I used for mine. This is the fabric paint that I used. You'll need to get the colors for the wing, and I used some sponges to dab the paint